Maybe haunting Emma's cage here because she does not want to stay inside of it. I've been trying like crazy to get her to stay in here, but she just wants to sit on me instead, which is rather awkward when she's on the back. Ow, come on, sweetie. There's 1 foot. There we go. There we go. I got you. I got you. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You okay, babe? What's wrong? Why are you scared of your cage all of a sudden? You've been frantically acting crazy in it. Oh, she keeps doing this. Every single time. Every single time. Ow. She nearly went down my back then. Oh. I don't know what the hell's causing her to act out like that, but oh, look how cute she is. It's annoying me because I need to get her back to go in so that the seals can come out for a bit, but she's been freaking out over this cage for some reason. I don't know what the hell it is. Nothing's changed inside. She just look at her. She's as if she's saying, "Don't put me back in there." Oh God, it's awkward when I'm leaning over like this. There you go. Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you, sweetie. It's okay. There you go. How are you, sweetie? Hey, why are you so scared of being in your cage? What have you been seeing in there? Huh? You just not like being on your own? Is that it? Don't worry, sweetie. I don't like leaving on her own, but I'll find you a mate, don't worry. It'll be next year, though. I'm sorry. Till then, I'll have to do. Have a lovely day, everybody.